Today I have another really exciting recipe for you guys, and it's for a baby trick. So those of you who have a baby and the baby just turned 6 months, your pediatrician is going to transition your baby onto eating solid food. Now he's going to start with more white vegetables and then he'll move on to like oranges and purples. So when your baby hits that stage where he's ready to eat white or colored vegetables, here is a trick for you. So to do this baby trick, you'll need to make his bottle, his regular bottle, just with milk. Or if your baby is 1 year or older, you can use whole milk or stay fresh milk instead of powdered milk, which I highly recommend. So to your bottle of milk, whether it be powdered, which you'll mix with some warm water, or whole, you're going to take that and we're going to be adding some Nestum to this, which is regular. And my trick with this baby bottle is I like adding in some pureed vegetables or pureed fruits. Now this is going to give your baby some extra nutrition. Now you can either use the pack food, and I'm using organic food, or you can use your own pureed food. The trick with it is that you'll need to make sure that it's really nice and smooth so it comes through that hole in the nipple. So one tip I'd give you guys is that you can just make a little incision in the hole where the nipple is, and that's going to help with the flow of the milk because it's going to be a little bit thicker than this regular thin milk. So now my baby is 2 years old, so I use whole milk for him, but if you still use powdered milk, that's fine. So you're going to put just shy of the amount you usually make, because when you put in these other ingredients, it's going to displace that milk and it's going to rise. So to the milk, I'm going to go in with 2 scoops of Nestum, or you can do 1 scoop of Nestum if you like, and then you're just going to simply squeeze in or put in that pureed or the puree baby food. Now I usually just do half of the pack, so I save half of the pack for another feeding, and you're just going to cover and mix well so that it doesn't create any lumps. And there you have it. You just made your own baby's punch, which is really healthy, full of nutrition and delicious. And I was so concerned about my son getting that extra nutrition that I thought, why not just put some pureed fruits or food into his bottle, just like we made peanut punch, we make pumpkin punch, we make carrot punch, just make a baby version. So this was my recipe for him. So I hope you guys can make it with even spinach. Anything, any pureed food, you can make it with. Even brown rice, you can make it with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tip and this quick hack. Let me know down below if you're enjoying my baby videos, and tell me if you'd like to see more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.